here, and today I'll be showing you how to make a DIY sensory bottle using water, oil, you can use vegetable oil or baby oil, optionally food coloring depending on the color of your oil, and any size jar. Make sure it can close. So let's get started. So first you want to start by opening your jar and fill your jar a little more than halfway with your water. So about that much. Next, add your food coloring. I'll be using blue, but you can use any color you like. Add as much as you want. Here's one, I'll do one more. And close that. And now mix it together. All right, and next, fill the rest of your jar with your oil. Okay, and close your lid. Now, oil and water don't mix, but when you shake them, they combine. Now you can watch your sensory bottle start to separate while you calm yourself down. I hope you enjoy your sensory bottle. Thanks for watching.